Are you or someone you know struggling with prostate issues? You're not alone. Many men experience problems like frequent urination, weak urine flow, and discomfort due to an enlarged prostate or inflammation. But the good news is, nature provides powerful healing solutions. Today we'll explore 5 amazing plants that can support prostate health, along with some natural lifestyle solutions to improve your well-being. By the end of this video, you'll have practical, science-backed ways to take charge of your prostate health and feel your best. Let's dive into these natural remedies and discover how they work. First on our list is saw palmetto, a well-known plant for prostate health. It comes from a type of palm tree native to the southeastern United States. Saw palmetto works by blocking the conversion of testosterone into dihydrotestosterone (DHT), a hormone linked to prostate enlargement. High levels of DHT contribute to benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH), leading to urinary problems. By reducing DHT, saw palmetto helps shrink the prostate and relieve symptoms like frequent urination, nighttime trips to the bathroom, and weak urine flow. Many men take it as a supplement in capsule, tea, or extract form for daily prostate support. Next we have stinging nettle, a plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Although its leaves can cause irritation when touched, they hold incredible benefits for prostate health. Stinging nettle is packed with bioactive compounds that may help reduce prostate size and improve urine flow. It works by interfering with the hormones that trigger prostate growth and inflammation. Studies suggest that when combined with saw palmetto, stinging nettle is even more effective in relieving BPH symptoms. You can take it as a tea, tincture, or supplement to support urinary function and overall prostate health. Pygeum comes from the bark of the African plum tree and is widely used in Europe and Africa to treat prostate-related urinary issues. This powerful herbal remedy contains phytosterols that reduce inflammation and improve urinary symptoms. Pygeum helps men with BPH by increasing urine flow, decreasing residual urine in the bladder, and reducing nighttime urination. It also balances hormones, which may slow down prostate enlargement. Many prostate supplements include Pygeum as an active ingredient because of its well-documented benefits. Taking Pygeum regularly can provide long-term prostate support and help men regain better urinary control. Pumpkin seeds, or cucurbita pepo, are one of the most nutrient-dense foods for prostate health. They are rich in zinc, a crucial mineral that plays a vital role in prostate function. Low zinc levels have been linked to an increased risk of prostate enlargement and inflammation. Pumpkin seeds also contain phytosterols, which help reduce DHT levels, similar to saw palmetto. Eating a handful of raw or roasted pumpkin seeds daily can provide these benefits naturally. Additionally, pumpkin seed oil has been shown to improve urinary symptoms in men with BPH. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your prostate. Last but not least, we have turmeric, a golden spice known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, has been studied extensively for its role in reducing inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases. For prostate health, curcumin helps reduce swelling and may slow the progression of prostate enlargement. Some studies suggest it even has potential cancer-fighting properties. You can add turmeric to your meals, take it as a supplement, or mix it with black pepper to enhance absorption. By including turmeric in your diet, you can help maintain a healthy prostate and overall well-being. Along with these 5 healing plants, there are additional lifestyle changes that can improve prostate health. Eating a diet rich in zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants can help protect the prostate. Staying hydrated and avoiding alcohol or excessive caffeine reduces bladder irritation. Regular physical activity, including yoga and Kegel exercises, strengthens the pelvic floor muscles and supports urinary function. Lastly, stress management through meditation and deep breathing can help reduce inflammation. By combining these strategies with the power of herbal remedies, you can naturally support prostate health and enhance your overall well-being. Taking care of your prostate is easier than you think. By incorporating these 5 healing plants and natural lifestyle changes into your routine, you can improve your prostate health, reduce discomfort, and feel more confident. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, Share it with someone who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and take charge of your well-being.